Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and this is 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Starting at the stern here, we have the large swim platform, along with the 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine, standard tow post, and a boarding ladder on the port side for easy access in and out of the boat. As you go ahead and climb onto the cockpit, you'll notice the large sun pad here, with plenty of storage underneath. Here we have the additional bimini top option. You'll notice the wraparound seating inside the cockpit, along with your helm seat, with your gauges, Simrad display, and Fusion stereo. Here on the starboard side, we have a nice lounge seat along with some cup holders. And as we move our way up, you see the glove box compartment with plenty of storage underneath. We continue our way up to the bow. You'll notice the wraparound seating here in the bow, cup holders, 2 Fusion stereo speakers along with the stainless steel handrails, and storage under both the cushions on the starboard and port side. Again, this is the 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX. For any additional information, please give us a call at 781-875-3619. Thank you.